Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
So, have you not taken care of old men and boys who deserve to die in it? So, this is Vedic culture. When there is food stock to be distributed, the first preference is given to the children. We remember, even some year 78, when we were children, say 4 or 5 years old, we remember some of you have seen that Malik's Thakurwadi having to anyone here he upset. So the first thing is for children. So sometimes I was little obstinate. I'll not sit down. No, I'll take it. Well learned. But that was the system. First of all, children should be, some choice will be paid. Then the Brahmin. And children and old men. In the family, the children and old men just say, Maharaj Yudhishthira, how much you are anxious to take care of Dhritarashtra. Although he played the part of an enemy, cloud, still it is the duty of the family member to take care of the old. When Dhritarashtra left home after being abused by his younger brother Vidura, my dear mother, you are still attached to family life. You have no say. You are taking food from home. You considered your enemies, you wanted to kill them from the very beginning. You set fire to their home, you banished them in the forest, you intrigued against their life, and now everything is finished. All your sons, grandsons, and son-in-laws and brothers and everything. Father, uncle, I'm going to say Bhishma was his uncle. So all family, at the battlefields of Kurukshetra, everyone was killed except the spike brother. Yudhishthira, he was Arjuna, Nakusa. All men members were killed. So, only the remaining descendant was Maharaj Parikshit. He was within the womb of his mother. His father died. Arjuna's son, Abhimanyu, he was 16 years old. Fortunately, his wife was pregnant. Otherwise, the Kuru dynasty was finished. So, he rebuked that still you are sitting here just for a morsel of food like dog. You have no shame, my dear brother. So he took it. Yes. Yes, my dear brother. If you are saying all right, so what you wanted to do? They immediately come out. Immediately come. And let's go to the forest. So immediately you enter. The Maharaj Yudhishthira used to come first of all in the morning after taking bath, after washing. The first duty was to go and see the old man. My dear uncle, you are all comfortable, everything is all right. I talk for some time. is to clean him. This is the duty of family member. Take care of the children, take care of old men, take care of a leader in the house, a serpent in the house. This is the injunction. He was find in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Grihastha, how much responsible he is. That it is said, even there is a serpent, nobody wants to take care of family. Everyone wants to kill. And nobody is sorry to kill a serpent. Prahlad Maharaj said that Mode to sadhu ravi vrishchika sarpa hatya. He said that my father was just like a serpent, a vrishchik, scorpion. So, killing of a serpent or scorpion, nobody is unhappy. So, my Lord, he told me, angry, now everything is finished, my father is finished. So, that was. But still, in the Shastra said that even in your house there is a serpent, see that he is not fasting without food. This is the spiritual communion. They are now after communism, but they do not know what is communism. Everyone to be taken care of, that is communism. Clear, Pali? Nobody should starve. Nobody should have any want in the state. That is communism. So when I went to communist country, Moscow, I think everyone was in want. They could not get even food stuff to their own choice. Whatever government does, this thing will supply. That's it. And actually there was no good food stuff. For us, we were staying in the National Hotel, and Shyamsundar had to spend at least 2 hours for getting things. That also not very nice thing. Rice could not be obtained. One Madrasi gentleman, he supplied us some rice like Tata, otherwise only milk and butter is available. And meat, that's all. No fruit, no vegetable, no rice. And these things are not available. They discourage you. Things in me, supply in me, reduced. Actually, the supply is made by Krishna. Nitya nityanam chetana chetananam eka yo bahunam vidadati kaman. There is a difference between God and ourselves. We are also person. God is also person. Nitya nityanam chetana chetana. He is also living entity. We are also living entity. So what is the difference between God and our? The eka, that one living entity, nitya, singular number. So, bahunam vidadati kaman, he supplies the necessities of life to all these plural number, bahura, nitya, nityana, chetana, chetanarthi. Those who know Sanskrit, this nitya means similar number, person. And the nityanam, that is plural number. Both of them are persons, both of them are living entities. But why that similar number is considered to be supreme? Because he supplies full stop to all the plural. Actually, Krishna has everything ready for supplying to all the living entities. Nobody is meant for starving. That is not. He tried in the prison house, although the prisoners, they are condemned, still government takes care of their food, of their hospitalization, not that they should to starve. No. Similarly, although in this material world, we are all condemned. We are prisoners. In a prisoners, we cannot move. We cannot go from one planet to another. They tried so much. Now they are paid. They do not talk now. It is not possible because we are prisoners. Condition. He had to remain in this planet. What has to remain in that planet? Right? There is no cost that out of your own will and freedom because we have no freedom. But Narada Muni has freedom. Narada Muni is going from one planet to another, is coming from the spiritual sky to the material sky because he is perfect bhakta. So that is the ideal living entity.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuda habe shuniha sabara shoka duka je guchi bhe Nachao, 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 Prabhu, nachao se mate. Ah.